Hey guys, today on Nev's Garage we're going to be getting into some more crystal. Not this kind of crystal, these kind of crystals. Some clear side indicators for this MY99 WRX. Now if you've been watching Nev's Garage and you've hit that good old subscribe button, you would have seen that recently we fitted clear front indicators and clear parkers. And they look filth. So let's continue that rad look by putting these side indicators on. Come on guys. Alright, first we've got to whip the old light out. Now instead of taking out the inner guard and coming up from behind, I've just fashioned this hook out of an old long 1/4 inch bolt here. Now hopefully I'm going to use that to come in behind where the door opens and spring the latch from behind and pop it out. So let's give it a go. Alright, see the light down in there? And that white plastic clip on the far end, that's what I have to try and disengage. So, in I go with my bent bolt, feed it in, find at the edge of the clip here, and pull back on it. Alright, and I'll pressure it back on the clip. Try and spring it out from the side. There we are. Got him out a little bit harder because it was held in with some sort of adhesive as well, but there we go. It's out. Cool. Now this side. Cool. Alright, so once we've cleaned the area a little bit, we have to of course change the globe from a clear globe to an amber globe. So here's our new amber globe, right? And as always, we're just going to put a touch of dielectric grease on the bulb to promote connection. Like so. Push him into his socket, like that. Just wipe any grease off the globe itself. Alright, now we fit the socket into our nice new crystal light. Twist him in like that. Alright. And then we just pop it in like this. Push the front end in and slide it back onto the back hook, like so. Right, that's it, that's in. Now the other one. Same story with this one. That's it. That looks dope. Let's see how they both look now. Fits well. Looks nice and clean. Flash is cool. And they really complement the front corner and the front indicator. They look really good. Here's the other side. Looks really good as well. Nice and neat and clean. Nice and clear. Cool. Alright guys, well that's it. Our clear side indicators are fitted and they look ace. That looks really good. They complement the front lights and everything. All the front lamps on this WRX are now more icy than Fiance's wrist. So thanks for sticking around, thanks for watching. Please keep liking, sharing and subscribing. We'll see you next time on Nev's Garage.